Welcome to Megamation Directline training. This video will look at the Site and Building Entry screen. To access the Site and Building Entry screen, go to Module, Equipment, Sites, Buildings and Rooms, Site and Building Entry. The Site and Building Entry screen is used to create new site or building records. Site and building records are where information is stored about physical buildings or sites such as garden areas or parking lots that make up a facility and which work orders will be done against. These sites and buildings will show up in the equipment hierarchy as an equipment record is automatically created whenever a site or building is entered. To begin entering a site or building, enter a new building number in the building site field. This is the unique identifier for the record, so it has to be different for each site or building. The building site number can be made up of letters, numbers, dashes, or a combination of the three. Building and site name is an open text field used to enter a short description of the entry. For example, South Street Elementary School, or West Parking Lot, or Administration. Class will default to Building, but can be changed by clicking the drop-down and choosing from the list. This is the same class list found in the Equipment module and can be edited by clicking the class title or in the Administration area. The rest of the information in the Building Site Entry screen is not mandatory and can be filled in as needed. The Area section is where information about the size of a building might be stored. The Structural section is where information about the construction of the building is entered. Area and structural information is all free text fields, so they are filled by simply typing in the respective fields. The General section contains two drop-downs for Category and Superintendent. These drop-down lists can be populated in the Administration module by clicking the title and choose from the drop-down lists by clicking the drop-down, choosing, and clicking OK. The Building Address field is an open text field where the address of the building would be typed or pasted. Use the tabs to choose Contacts. Enter contact information for main contacts of the building or site, such as managers or principals. Also on this tab, store information about any satellite buildings related to this building. The Building Details tab contains information about the building or site such as area, dimensions, parking, and cost. Miscellaneous particulars 1 and 2 are made up of three text fields each, where notes about roof, foundation, boiler, HVAC, mechanical, and electrical systems can be made. The Hazardous Materials tab contains information related to hazardous materials. See the Hazardous Materials module training video for more information. The Comments tab contains one text box for general comments about the building or site. This is an open text field and will only accept text, no pasting of pictures or spreadsheets. After all required information has been entered, click the Save button on the toolbar or hit the Save shortcut key on the keyboard. The screen is now cleared and ready to enter another building or site.